Hi guys, so let's now have a little run through of the exam paper and just make sure we're really crystal clear on the structure. So we can see we've got 2 hours for this exam paper. There's 100 marks available. There's 2 sections to the exam. So we've got 36 marks in section A and then 64 marks in section B. Section B being all about the business finance. Now, I really do advise you to go straight through to section B. So ignoring section A, here's section B now. I would advise that you spend an hour and 20 minutes. It's a nice round number, and you start with section B here. You can see it then starts off with some nice short questions. So you got 2 marks, 2 marks. This is really nice and easy to take care of. But then you start entering the calculation-based questions. So many students get stuck in this sort of area, looking for numbers, trying to remember different formulas. You don't want to worry about that too much. You really do want to make sure that you are using your time as effectively as possible and that you're limiting and rationing your time on this section B to an hour and 20 minutes. So we can see we've got more calculate based questions, and then we've got a detailed complete question here for the statement of financial position. Okay, so an 8-mark question there. But these questions, I've said it before, I'll say it again, they can often be like quicksand. So just be alert to that. You want to make sure that you're getting through this really, really quickly. Now, had you decided to actually start section A first, well, look at this home straight to finishing the exam you've got. This is really, really rough. So you can see you go straight into then a 6-mark question. Then after that, you've got an 8-mark question. Then after that, you've got a 10-mark assess question. And to finish off in real style, you've got an evaluate, a 12-mark question there. So this is really, really rough. I would really suggest that you do section B first up. Incidentally, my students that did that in the mock, they didn't have any timing problems whatsoever. So let's go back to section A now. So we've got 40 minutes. Ignore this 45. You don't need as long as that, okay? These questions are more straightforward to actually answer, and there isn't the danger that you'll get stuck like with those numerical calculation questions. So we can see we've got a 2, a 4-mark question, a 6, a discuss question, then we've got an assess, 10 marks, and then we've got evaluate, 12 marks. All right, so you can actually complete this this section relatively quickly. So guys, there you go, there's the exam. Make sure you've got a strategy as to how you're going to go about responding to it. Okay, we know what's coming, so if you're prepared, you're going to be ahead of the game. Great stuff. See you next time.